In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through how to add a link to an image in Webflow. So whether you're creating a portfolio, an e-commerce site, or just a personal blog, linking images can significantly enhance user experience by making your website more interactive and engaging. With Webflow's intuitive interface, this process is straightforward, even if you're just starting out. First, you'll want to open up your browser and navigate to webflow.com. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, the next step is to click on All Sites. This will bring up a list of all the websites you've been working on within Webflow. From here, select the site where you'd like to add the linked image. Simply click on the site's thumbnail or name to open it up in the designer. Now that you're inside the Webflow designer, you're going to want to focus your attention on the left-hand side of the screen. Locate the plus icon that says Add Element. This is your toolbox for building and customizing your site. Click on this icon to reveal a menu of elements you can add to your page. Scroll down until you find the link option. This is what you'll use to create a clickable area on your image. Next, you'll need to add a link block to your page. Click on the link block option and drag it over to the canvas area where your image is located. If your image isn't on the page yet, you'll need to add it first by using the image element. The link block acts as a container, and by placing it over your image, you're effectively turning the entire image into a clickable link. After you've positioned the link block over your image, you'll notice a blue outline indicating the link is in place. Now, it's time to specify where you want this image to direct viewers when clicked. Click on the link block to adjust its settings. In the settings panel, you'll find a field to enter the URL. This is where you type or paste the link address you want the image to point to. It could be another page on your site or an external URL, whatever makes sense for your project. Once you've entered the desired URL, it's a good idea to test the link to ensure it works correctly. You can do this by previewing your site in Webflow. Simply click on the preview button at the top of the designer to see how your site behaves with all its interactive elements. Click on the image to make sure it redirects properly and that the user experience is seamless. And there you have it. Adding a link to an image in Webflow is as simple as that. By following these steps, you can easily enhance your website's functionality and provide a more interactive experience for your visitors. Feel free to experiment with different images and links to see what works best for your site's design and purpose. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.